I've got a surprise! Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's an Ecotech. What do you think? Not bad. In case you haven't noticed, this is a VZ Commodore. So we took the most unreliable engine out and fitted the best Holden 3.8 V6 on the market, in my opinion. Hey, there is a poll. A couple of people have jumped on board and told us what they thought about the Alloytech. So anyway, welcome. VZ. We call it last chance, because that's it. They call it the Ecotech here in Australia, but it's the old Buick 3800. Alright, so why? Well, wanted to see if we could take out the most unreliable engine and fit the most reliable engine. Well, I guess it's time to install the engine. Let's do it. Cool. That was easy. Now we're just got to do everything back up. Suspension rods, radius rods. Sweeper. Reconnect steering. Set of wheels, eh? I made up these little cat adapters for the extractors. One left, one right. Time to secure the transmission. And the linkage, otherwise we won't be able to shift gears. Alright, time for a tail shaft and then the exhaust. Alright, need to connect the EFI harness to the vehicle PCM and the communications plug for ignition. And the constant. Time for fuel lines. And some brakes. This one is clipped straight in, being original eco stuff. Fit a radiator. And connect those. Better add one of these. Air intake. Last but not least, we better put a battery in. And then do wiring.